one way of life, to live. If not, flat line. Nah, nigga. And you I was told to shoot out, play low, keep firing. Keep extra flip for extra shit. Next to flip on the cash from the jail to a flat. More shady, Brownsville, baby, dub and dough. It's MTK, you faggots. Bimmer, with a semi, and you too mad. Cap call 45, and you two are really deep, nigga. And he ain't talking about my liquor, it's being a big O. You was trained to detect fake shit, that's fake shit. Fucking opposites of threats. I'm in the streets, I know how the score's looking good. The end game in the stadium of Brooklyn, and this here thing. I'm holding my hand, make you trick a nigga the motherfucking man. Cause you could be damn, I was pissed with him. Somebody hit him. Look how them coming time to get him. Flat, God already made a note of it. The new school is based on cold shit. You might not make it past the top of the morning. These young niggas is coming and gunning with no warning. Don't feel on top of that. We can stop rap, take 2 steps back and get it going in the street. I do it with a passion and blasting no competition. Overlooking consequences, no matter when to missions. Metal intermissions, instead of when to